Noah here with American Trucks. We're taking a look at this seat towel with the Ram logo in black. It's universal and some adaptation may be required depending on your model and trim. Now, if you're looking to keep your seats clean and safe from all the mess, this seat towel is going to be an awesome branded solution that's better looking and more reliable than just draping a towel over the seat. Let me just reassure you that it's okay to make a mess. It's a truck. They're used for work, they're used to haul, and they're used for trips and transporting. They're used for everything. So sometimes you have to drive home in dirty clothes after a long day of welding in the mud. Sometimes you want to go fishing with your dog, and dogs can make a big hairy mess. And a lot of times you just try to drape a towel over the seat and protect it, but they always fall down. They're never shaped to the seat at all, and most importantly, they don't look good. Now, the best way to keep a seat safe is with a fitted seat towel like this one with the Ram logo on it. It's black, it looks like it could have come from the factory as an option on the truck, and they go on really easy yet securely. So if this seat cover is actually going to protect your seat better than the average beach towel, it needs to be constructed pretty well. Now in this case, we're actually looking at 100% cotton terry velour that's stretchy and forgiving while still being super comfortable as well. Nobody likes a crunchy seat cover. Now, this guy is designed to slip around the headrest here and get anchored at the top, so it's really not going to move on you. Then the icing on the cake is that it actually comes with a warranty as well, so you're covered in the case you run into any issues. This Ram seat towel falls around $65. Now that price is for only one, but if I was completely honest, that's like the price of two really nice beach towels that are not fitted and definitely do not have the Ram logo on them. The install time for the seat cover is only 1 minute. Maybe the lowest install time ever, with a difficulty of 1 out of 3 wrenches, obviously. Now this is going to be a super simple install that anyone at home is going to be able to do really quickly. Speaking of install, let's head over to the shop and get this guy installed on our Ram so you can see just how easy it is.
What's up, guys? Today we're installing a seat towel in our Ram, so let's get started. So to install our seat towel, we have a hole cut out for the headrest, so we'll just slide that right over top. Tuck that into the sides. Center up our logo. And that'll do it. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the seat towel with Ram logo in black. Universal, some adaptation may be required. Thank you for watching, and for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.